Number 1.
2009 Victory Hammer. Price, $5,300. Mileage, 24,900 miles. Location, Howard, Ohio. Up for grabs is a 2009 Victory Hammer, a true muscle cruiser that blends aggressive style with raw V-twin power. With just under 25,000 miles, this beast has been garage-kept and well-loved, ready to deliver that deep, throaty rumble Victory bikes are known for. Its bold orange finish stands out in any crowd, while the 100 cubic inch, 1,647 cubic centimeters, Freedom V-twin engine delivers effortless torque and speed, whether you're carving highways or cruising through town.
Number 2.
1999 Harley-Davidson Fatboy. Price, $6,300. Mileage, 45,208 miles. Location, Kershaw, South Carolina. This 1999 Harley-Davidson Fatboy is a classic slice of American iron, still running strong after 26 years and proudly powered by one of the last EVO engines with a carbureted setup. With 45,208 original miles, she's been kept in solid condition, rocking a long shots exhaust with powder-coated heat shields that will make sure everyone hears you before they see you. Custom touches include 14-inch ape hangers, a 21-inch front wheel, a 33-inch old-school sissy bar, a Mustang solo seat, and a Mustache highway bar, all powder-coated for durability. She's loud, raw, and stripped of frills. No turn signals, no jeebus, no nonsense. Just you, the road, and a bike that demands to be ridden.
Number 3.
1999 Harley-Davidson Dyna 1340 Hardtail Custom. Price, $5,500. Location, Washington, D.C.
Back up for you.
This 1999 Harley-Davidson Dyna 1340 Hardtail Custom is a true $20,000 chopper build that blends raw power with street-dominating style. It's powered by a Voodoo-cammed 1,340 cubic centimeters engine with Aries 12:1 pistons, delivering serious punch, while every inch of chrome has been meticulously finished for a show-stopping shine. Out back, a massive 270mm rear tire and open primary drive give it that aggressive stance and unmistakable chopper attitude, with a Karata Piranha belt drive for added bite. Built to turn heads and rule the streets, this isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement piece that rides as mean as it looks.
Number 4.
2003 Honda Shadow VT 750. Price, $3,200. Mileage, 20,000 miles. Location, Westland, Michigan.
Number 5.
2003 Honda VTX 750 ACE Shadow Trike. Price, $7,900. Mileage, 18,200 miles. Location, West Olive, Michigan. This 2003 Honda VTX 750 ACE Shadow Trike, custom-built by DA3 Customs, blends classic cruiser style with the stability and attitude of a three-wheeled machine. Starting life as a shadow motorcycle, it's been transformed into a sleek black trike that's equal parts comfortable cruiser and head-turning showpiece. Its 750 cubic centimeters V-twin engine delivers smooth, dependable power, while the trike conversion gives it a bold, planted stance perfect for long rides or casual weekend cruising.
Number 6.
2003 Yamaha V-Star 1100. Price, $2,000. Location, Oakland, Maryland. This 2003 Yamaha V-Star 1100 is a solid cruiser in good condition, ready to hit the road with style and reliability. It's packed with many aftermarket parts, enhancing its look and performance, making it stand out from the crowd.
Number 7.
1999 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200. Price, $6,500. Mileage, 14,666 miles. Location, Cecil, Pennsylvania. This 1999 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 is a true classic with a lowbrow hardtail bobber conversion that turns heads wherever it goes. Dressed in a striking red exterior, this custom chopper blends vintage Harley spirit with rugged, minimalist style. The manual transmission and reliable 1,200 cubic centimeters engine offer a thrilling ride that's perfect for riders who crave that raw, stripped-down bobber experience.
Number 8.
2005 Honda Shadow Aero VT 750. Price, $2,800. Mileage, 23,000 miles. Location, Keensburg, New Jersey. This sleek 2005 Honda Shadow Aero VT 750 in classic black is a solid, dependable cruiser that effortlessly grabs attention on the road. With its smooth manual transmission and 750 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, this bike combines reliability with style, offering a ride that's both comfortable and powerful. Known for its iconic design and strong performance, the Shadow Aero is perfect for those looking to turn heads and enjoy countless compliments wherever they roll. A great choice for riders who want timeless appeal wrapped in a smooth, agile package.
Number 9.
2020 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 107. Price, $9,900. Mileage, 2,600 miles. Location, Hull, New Jersey. This 2020 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 107 is a nearly new beast, with only 2,600 miles on the clock and a clean title ready for its next rider. Dressed in sleek black and powered by the Milwaukee 8107 V-twin, it delivers that raw Harley rumble with effortless torque. Its stripped-down bobber style keeps things bold and minimal, while tasteful upgrades add extra punch and style. Perfect for someone who wants a head-turning Harley that's practically showroom fresh and ready to rip down the open road.
Number 10.
2005 Victory Hammer. Price, $5,200. Mileage, 9,100 miles. Location, Canal Fulton, Ohio. This 2005 Victory Hammer is a true power cruiser with a muscle bike attitude, packed with performance upgrades to make every ride a thrill. Outfitted with a lowered frame, performance pipes, Lloyd's piston/cam/airbox kit, and a drag specialties seat for comfort and control, it's as aggressive as it is stylish. The Batwing fairing and Viking bags add touring capability without losing its street brawler edge. With newer tires, less than 500 miles, and dealer-installed upgrades, this 100 cubic inch beast is turnkey and ready to rip. No trades, cash talks.
Number 11.
2012 Yamaha V-Star. Price, $3,500. Mileage, 31,974 miles. Location, Macedon, New York. This 2012 Yamaha V-Star is a classic, reliable cruiser with all the essentials for comfortable long rides and effortless style. It's equipped with a custom Mustang seat, blemish present, original seat included, hard saddlebags, a windshield, and a lightweight lithium battery to keep things running strong. Perfect for highway cruising or everyday rides, this V-Star is ready to roll and priced to move.
Number 12.
2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic Bobber. Price, $3,900. Mileage, 5,683 miles. Location, Holly Springs, North Carolina. This 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic Bobber is a head-turning, low-mileage custom cruiser built to make a statement. With just 5,700 miles, it sports drag bars, satin black paint, and a rare Brit Motors custom setup that gives it a sleek, aggressive stance. Smooth, powerful, and ready to ride, this Vulcan delivers that perfect mix of comfort and bold street style.
Number 13.
2003 Honda Shadow Spirit 750. Price, $2,000. Mileage, 42,000 miles. Location, Ranson, West Virginia. This 2003 Honda Shadow Spirit 750 is a dependable, classic cruiser that's built for smooth riding and everyday reliability. With a 750 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, new tires just installed, and a sleek black finish, it's ready to hit the road with confidence. Well kept and easy to handle, it's perfect for riders who want a stylish, budget-friendly cruiser that runs as good as it looks.
Number 14.
2008 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700. Price, $6,800. Mileage, 27,355 miles. Location, Pittsboro, North Carolina. This 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 is a powerful cruiser that blends comfort and muscle for the perfect ride. Its 1,700 cubic centimeters V-twin engine delivers plenty of torque and smooth performance, while the classic black finish gives it a bold, commanding look on the road. Well maintained by a single owner and loaded with extras, this Vulcan is ready for long hauls or weekend escapes without a hitch. 2014 Harley-Davidson CVO Road King. Price, $16,697. Mileage, 6,078 miles. Location, Mahopac, New York. This 2014 Harley-Davidson CVO Road King is as close to perfection as you'll find, dripping in Harley orange, with only 6,078 miles and a screamin' eagle exhaust that sounds every bit as mean as it looks. With raised bars and that unmistakable CVO stance, it's a factory-built powerhouse ready to turn heads and eat up miles. If you want a mint, low-mileage Road King that's as rare as it is gorgeous, this is it.